What up, world? Welcome back to another episode of Skinny's World. Special guest, you have not seen this man in a while. It's been a minute. When I first started doing vlogs, he was on a couple episodes. My cousin Brad.
What's up, guys?
Ooh, look at those beautiful blue eyes. Look at them eyes. Ooh, ladies, don't get too excited. He is taken. Yes, he's taken. Rally day again. Yes, SouthBay AutoClub. You guys saw the vlog last time. We're doing it again. It's gonna be dope. Head up from Torrance, back down to SD, to my stomping ground. So I'm pumped to do that. The word on the street, I'm telling you. I got a lot of homies coming through with some epic whips. A lot of snap, crackle, and pops, crazy rides, dope rides, fast bursts, maybe a race or two, we'll find out. But it's gonna be sick, it's gonna be epic. So hang on tight, don't be skipping either. Hit the subscribe button and keep watching. SouthBay AutoClub, here we come, let's get it. Ooh, ton of run. You got a little nervous. I did get a little close. Already got Lambo. You already know it's gonna be a good day. That thing is loud, by the way. Extremely loud. Ooh, must be getting close. Another loud one. Yes, another loud one. How was that, Brad? That's pretty good. Ooh, some people are out. There's my boy Curly. Oh yeah, there are definitely people here. Woo! My boy Scooter Racer in the house. I'm just gonna park next to him because he smoked me last time. Oh my! Oh my! That's the victory spray. Because he smoked me last time, damn it. Wow, like, this is crazy, man. I'll tell you what, it's gonna be better than the last one. Way more cars this time, a ton more cars. I mean, for goodness sakes, we got Pikachu. Look, we got Pikachu. You see my boy Dre, yeah, Suited Racer, in the house. I might get a repeat race and try and get my, get my confidence back, because last video you guys saw, he smoked me. Smoked me. Embarrassing, but we'll forget about that for now. I'll just do the slow-mos and let you guys figure it out. All right, enjoy. Party continues. We got more rolling in. Look at that. What's up, man? What's up? Woo! Oh my. This is gonna be a crazy rally today, guys. Nuts. Still rolling in. Squad. What up, guys? What's going on, my man? How you doing? Oh, squad. What up, my dude? How you doing, bro?
How you doing?
Good, man. Sheesh! Oh, it's awesome. I love it. What up, my dude? Oh, hey, congrats on the ride, homie.
Thank you, dude.
It's fresh. Man, you want to talk about squad? Woo! It's gonna go down today. It's definitely going down. Everyone is here. Everyone's here. If you ain't here, sorry for you, because everyone's here. Yes, everyone is here. All right, it's go time. I can't be last. I'm always in the back. Always in the back. It's not gonna happen this time, I promise. It's not gonna happen. No, it's not. Not gonna happen. All right, we gotta go. I'm always in the back, Brad. I can't be in the back this time. Oh, snap. Shh, go time. I can't be in the back. Woo, woo, woo. Madness is gonna pursue. Oh, it's gonna happen. Revenge. 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 I don't think he has Nos today. Revenge, maybe. Dang. Giving y'all a show today. Oh my. Oh, oh my. Oh, we got two. We got two. Oh man. We got two tanks. All right, I'm gonna have to play now. My turn, my turn, my turn. My turn now, my turn. Yep. Yep. Pretty good. Oh. Dang. Damn. Man, I can't live. Wow. Yeah, it's going down. It's going down. Everybody's showing out. SouthBay AutoClub. Everybody's showing out. Let's go. Woo!
My guy.
Looking pretty, man.
Let's go, man.
Looking pretty. Woo! That thing. Look at this cutie over here. Mr. Matsubi. The heartthrob. If you guys don't know, he's the heartthrob of the crew. Yeah. If this was NSYNC, you're Justin Timberlake.
No, this is Justin Timberlake in an Asian version. I'm like, you know, what is their name? Those BY what? What's their name?
K-pop. You're more modern. K-pop. Justin slash K-pop. He's making too much noise. Too much noise. Stop the revving. Too much revving. Uh-oh, Brad, your first tunnel run. Tunnel run time, y'all. You're missing it. Proper. How was that, sir?
Give me the camera.
Got a squad here. Squad. Woo! Super's popping. Oh my gosh. We're surrounded, bro. We're surrounded. Oh, shoot. Amazing. Amazing. Sheesh. Hey, man, you're too loud, man.
I can't keep up, man.
Tone it down. Oh, my gosh. Not what you expected, right? It's supposed to be your vacation.
That's right. It's supposed to be relaxing.
It's relaxing. It just depends on what's relaxing to you.
You driving one hand.
Unclench your fist.
Yeah, holding the camera.
Look at this. He's got the GoPro on the top of the back of the antenna. That's sick. The Tangy Mobile. One of my favorite Lamborghinis. Yes, it is. One of two favorites right there. Oh man, someone got pulled over. Casualty. Oh, the McLaren.
Iron Man.
No.
Not Tony.
No, Tony. Ah! First casualty, man. God, you had to get Iron Man. It's jacked up, man. You're not getting saved tonight. Tangy over here showing out, man. Show off! We're here to get gas, meeting up off the freeway, and yes, it's gonna be another gas station takeover. The neighborhood is not gonna be happy. I can guarantee that. Fucking takeover. Sheesh!
Get out of here.
Woo! Sheesh! Damn. Yeah, looks like a takeover to me. Yeah, definitely a gas station takeover. Like, yeah, but we're gonna get gas. Telling you guys, SouthBay AutoClub. This takeover is crazy. Like literally, every car you can imagine is in this gas station right now. It's pretty sick. Lambos, Ferraris, Mustangs, Porsches. Name it, it's here. Yes, it is. All right, Brad, I want to get your opinion. Lamborghini, this one. Bam. What are your thoughts?
I like it.
That's all you gotta say?
I'm looking.
Oh, come on,
You
man.
put me on the spot.
Come on, man. Fantastic.
I like the
Beautiful.
color. The color, the accents, a little bit of red. It's good.
His words are too educated for me. Come on, I need some more ratchet, man.
You're putting me on the spot, man. I don't know good under pressure.
Bad. This car is bad.
It's clean.
It's clean. That's my cousin Brad. That's why I hang with him, man. That's why I hang with him. Look at that. Carbon. Carbon. Let's go. Carbon. 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 And that diffuser. Sitting nice. Woo! I love it. Signature Lambo. Great job. Fantastic. Oh, is that a celebrity in the house? Is that High? High? What? Oh man, what? No TMZ shots? Come on, man. No TMZ? What's up, dude?
What's up?
Need your opinion.
What up?
Because my cousin Brad was being shy over there. What's your opinion on the signature Lambo? I gotta know what you thought. What are your thoughts?
Vorsteiner kit,
Yes, sir. What you think, man?
clean.
Sexy?
Yeah.
Okay, let me ask you this. Would you take Rihanna or the Lambo?
Lambo.
Because she can buy you the Lambo.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Sorry, Rihanna, you're not winning that one. You lost. You lost. Up, up. We're leaving and the madness starts. Wow. Problem with a gas station takeover is that you can't get out. I mean, traffic jams and ain't nowhere to go. So we waiting.
A few inches later.
Update. We're still at the gas station. We're almost out though. We're almost out, but we're still at the gas station. Yeah. I think our turn's coming. Here we go. And we're off. In spot. Somehow everybody got here before us. Maybe they came straight here too, but they're here. Pikachu! Pikachu!
There you go.
I know you played with those when you were a kid. You didn't?
No.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not.
You have Pikachu underwear.
No, I had.
Yes, you do. Let me
Ninja
see.
Turtles.
Let me see. What you
G.I.
got on?
Joe. I got Puma.
Puma?
Yep, Puma. Costco.
Come on, man.
Costco special, man.
Well, the takeover hasn't started yet, but it's gonna come, believe me. They're on the way. Yes, they are. Everyone is pulling in, and yes, of course, I don't fit like always, and I am riding low because of Splitter. I'm kind of sticking out of the parking lot, but hey, who cares, right? Gonna hear Pikachu. That's the Pikachu. Oh, okay. Little Pikachu love right there. Woo. I know you got Bok Choy. Oh shoot! Got me. Oh, we're gonna get some good here. Yeah, we're definitely getting kicked out now. Golly, that sounds good. I like it. Hey guys, the security lady wants me to get some loud noises for her Snapchat. So you know I'm not gonna disappoint. So let's get her reaction here. You ready? Help the Snapchat. Gotta help out the Snapchat. Even Grandpa's getting it in. Look at that. Look at that, man. We made some friends.
Bringing people together.
All ages. All ages. Dang! Look at Grandpa! He sounds like a race car. Oh my. Everybody's showing out. Wow. Uh-oh, I see tunnels. Uh-oh, Brad.
All right, let's see it.
And? Was it amazing?
I've had better.
Oh, wow, you've had better. Okay. Oh, excuse me. I've been scaring them all day. I'm home. Wake up call, Brad.
I'm going to have to see a chiropractor.
All right, you guys. See the title, see the thumbnail. I'm not gonna snake you anymore. Yes, it's true. Yes, the front splitter is broke already. I know. Hasn't been even a month yet, and it's already cracked. Yep, it is. Let me show you. You got some crackage right there, and a little bit right there. Yes, and the story is not even exciting like you probably think it is. Not that exciting. No, I was not racing anybody. I was not giving gapples to anybody. It happened right before the event. Yes, I was backing out of my parking spot. Long story short, hit a small little moat wall, hit the front splitter, and cracked it. I was very upset and very disappointed. Now, fast forward to today, didn't get on video, but more damage to the front splitter. The bottom of it flew off. Kid you not, yes, flew off. Yes, it did. Let me show you. You see, underneath, bam, right there. There was nothing underneath the splitter. There used to be a carbon fiber part underneath there, and it is naked. Yes, naked. Gone. Gone, finito, not there no more. So, the goals of fixing it is a no bueno situation. Not gonna happen. I'm gonna have to replace that. Yes, that's gonna get replaced. What does that mean? More money out of my pocket. Yep, out of my pocket. It hurts. It hurts. But that's the game. I stressed you out that much, you got a double fist?
That's right. Upper and a downer.
All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoy that run with my cousin Brad. He was definitely scared. You saw the double fisting. Yes, double fisting the drinks because he got scared.
Just trying to take the edge off.
You saw the damage on the R8. You saw the splitter. Rest in peace, splitter. Brad was a little nervous when we hit a dunk, 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 and we didn't know what it was. And the bottom of the splitter, it's gone now. Yeah, more money out of my pocket. GoFundMe, he's gonna set up for me. No? No, no.
You got this.
No? Are you sure?
Subscribe. Help make this guy some money.
That's true, but in the meantime,
GoFundMe.
GoFundMe it is. I want to thank you guys for tagging along. Thanks for watching the vlog. All my peeps stay on the rally. It was good seeing you guys. Until next time, guys, Skinny's World, and we out.